everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm back with another video. And so today's video is going to be a little bit different. As y'all can see, I made a special appearance.
I'm out for my grandmother. I can't wait for when that comes in, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Just wanted to stop by, or drop in, should I say, and just say thank you for all of you guys who've been commenting, subscribing, liking my videos. The love, I'm just like so happy. I love hearing from you guys. I love when I wake up to a notification when somebody's just asking a question or leaving a comment or just giving me positive feedback. Really do love it. I'm new to this YouTube thing. I'm getting better. I'm trying my hardest to upload as many videos as I possibly can and give as much information as I possibly can when it comes to these DIY cell phone cases and other things. Be sure, you guys, leave a comment below if y'all want to see me DIY anything else. Like I do tumblers, I do mirrors, I do what else, face shields. Like I'm not sure if I did like a video on this, but face mask. I also do face shields like so. For all of those hairstylists who be having them clients that don't want to show their face, I got you. Customize your personal face shield. You can put your business name on there. You can get whatever design, color that you want, or theme, should I say, that you want. You know, and you ain't gotta worry about nothing. Okay. What else? Yeah, and much more, you guys. So I do shoes and everything. So yeah, just let me know if you want me to start dropping or, you know, making videos in regards to those items. What else? My custom mixtures. Should I say custom? I'm gonna say custom because I make them myself and I customize them either to what a customer might want, or maybe something that I just like came up on my own. I will be trying my hardest, you guys. I'm not about to sit here and I have been procrastinating a lot when it comes to like uploading stuff on my website because it's hard. It's really hard. I'm trying to get things up on the website because my day is like, it's so much going on in my day. Like I need to start like prioritizing things a little bit better. But I will be putting up mixtures on my website. So if you ever see me make a cell phone case and you like the design or the mixture, I will have that available somewhere. I don't know if it's going to be on my Etsy account or my my regular website, but I will definitely let you guys know when I start doing that. Also for the custom layouts, I do have a few layouts up on my website right now. If there's anybody who's looking for like a customized layout, let me know and I will put something together on YouTube, and I can just show you how it works. Make sure that you guys are following me on my Instagram so y'all can, you know, keep up with like everything that's going on. I think that's really it. I have a custom order that I'm about to make and I'm making a video on. I'll probably just add this in that clip. Thank you again. And you guys, I forgot to do this video. I need to show you guys my new station, like my new work area. Want to know about that? You want me to drop a video on that? Leave that in the description box below. And then I'll show y'all. Y'all can customize it to your likings and everything. I didn't do like how I went like customizing on the other one. You know, the other one was like, when I went back and looked at that video, I was like, okay, you could have did better. So I wasn't really worried about that at the moment. But like I said, leave a comment down below and I will let you guys know. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm looking over there because Naffy is currently potty training and the struggle is real. This is day one. This is my first day. He's been doing good sitting on the potty and stuff like that, but it's hard. But you guys, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. So we about to go ahead and try to make this mixture on camera. Like I said, I didn't show you guys the pieces yet, but I'm just gonna make the mixture really quick. The customer wanted a red themed girly case for a 13-year-old, and this is for the iPhone SE, if I'm not mistaken. So I made plenty of red mixtures in the past, but today I want to do something a little bit different. I want to try to go in with not as much red, but I want to combine some silver, a couple of white pieces, and AB glass stones. So we about to go ahead and do this real quick, y'all. Hopefully it comes out good. I don't want it to be too much red, but I'm gonna make a big mixture because, like I said before, a lot of people love my mixtures. So it's better just to go ahead and make a big mixture all at once, so that I don't gotta worry about, you know, doing it again. So those are, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 3 mm. I talk in mm terms, you guys. So those are 3 mm pearls, and these are 4 mm rhinestones. I don't want to put too many of those in there. And then we have some AB rhinestones. I'm gonna throw those in there. As you can see, like, the color is a little bit different. And then we have some 2 mm. I'm gonna throw those in there. Those are rhinestones. And we have some AB rhinestones, and we have some regular 2 mm red rhinestones. So to knock this, or to throw this red off a little bit, like I said, I'm gonna go in with some silver clear, you know, glass stones. I'm gonna go with that. Those are heavy. Like, you see how they drop in there. I have some 2 mm right here. I'm gonna do like 3 pinches. 1, 2, 3, because that goes a long way. Okay, so we did 3 pinches of those. I'm gonna stir that up. You're not really gonna see the glass stones in the mixture, because glass stones are heavier than regular rhinestones. So a lot of the time you'll see them, like, they'll go to the bottom, which is fine. And then we're gonna put, like, I'm gonna put like just a dab of the AB stones in there, just a dab. And then I want to go ahead and put just a pinch of black and a pinch of white. We're gonna go ahead, I'm about to show you guys the layout that I had to pick for the day. I'm gonna put that to the side. Here are my pieces that I'm gonna be working with. All my pieces are here laid out in front of me, if you guys can see. Obviously I will not be putting all these pieces on the cell phone case. I will try to put as many as possible, but the phone case is so small. The phone case that I'm working with today is a SE, and this phone case is really small compared to like all the pieces and stuff that I have. So what I will do, I'm going to try to overlap this cell phone case to the best of my ability, but I don't really like overlapping, because when it comes to dropping, I never overlapped before, but I get scared because, you know, when you drop your cell phone case and then it hit, like, you know, like an angled surface, you know, it can pop off and stuff like that. So I don't like overlapping, but I'm going to try to do my best to fit as many pieces as I possibly can. Like I said, this case is for a 13-year-old, and I want it to pop. Okay, the mixture matches the theme. So we about to go ahead and start placing these pieces. You guys, our pieces are glued. Now let's get the blinging. finishing look, and this is how the case is. You already know I got those covered up. You know what that is. Be sure to go over to my Instagram so y'all can see the finishing look. I'm going to go ahead and take off the plastic off of that, and I need to clean it up. As y'all can see, I have glue right there. I have glue right here, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to do it off camera. And then the plastic off of this. And there you have it. This bad baby is finished. Be sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Leave those comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to go check me out on my Instagram at Designsbymyc. And also go and follow my new Instagram page is collections_by_MYC. Until the next video, you guys. Bye bye.